Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Halor kecingca kabalaja hamukro, bat Kiwei pat kimat, Kiwei day, bat uput Assam. Umintri rangba ke Jala ulong, bakaladan kejinga keren Jong bat umintri rangba ke Assam, huimanta beswas serma. Bagi artli ke Jala, kata ke Meghalaya bat Assam, Sngap satya, ya ke Jingkynthoh ke bami, na Kiwei pat ke Kynhun, ke bala bandai ke Seng, ne ke beri ke badan hakaliang ke Sorkar, ne liang persya. Hendai kejinga keren kandai betang hapadeng ki arngut ke mintri rangba, lani ki arngut ki menteri keterat kampo yang naki artli ki Jala.
We do not appreciate these statements, to be very frank. These are times when we are having challenges, and these statements don't help the situation at all. And of course, after that, I had a direct talk with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he has also told me that these statements should not be made. But I think what is important is that there will be individuals and people from different levels who will keep making statements, whether it's from our side or from their side. But I think ultimately it is the leadership at the level of the chief ministers. I think those are the statements that should be looked at as the stand of any government. And I think all the other statements being made by others are made at their level, and it's something that, as I said, I don't want to comment too much on those things. But as I said, for me, the discussion is at the chief minister's level and at the home minister's level. So at that level, the home minister has himself, and also the chief minister of Assam has also told that these kind of things should not happen. And from my side, as I said, I'd like to maintain that the stand of the two chief ministers is what the official stand of the two governments is. In fact, these are locations, for example, in Mukro. Immediately when this incident happened, one platoon was sent out there. And now the question is that this platoon has been now officially sanctioned. So therefore now the posts that are there, those positions that are there, are now budgeted for and sanctioned. So therefore, in fact, as we speak, the people are already there. In Kanduli, the people are already there. So now it's just that we are regularizing things, and we are ensuring that these become sanctioned posts, and then regular and permanent people will be put in there, because initially when these people were put in, they were put in from an emergency point of view, and those are posts that were not sanctioned for specifically for those areas, but were from the headquarters or from the district headquarters, and they were temporarily put in those places. So these are all things that as we speak are already happening. We are deeply examining the entire demand for districts. We have looked into many demands of different districts and different blocks and different subdivisions. And one of the very important and simple criteria is that there has to be some sense of agreement in on how we will move forward, and the complications should not be there. We saw for example, in Mairang district, there was a very clear-cut understanding, and the line that was drawn was very simple, and there was a full agreement. We found that in certain other demands, whether subdivisions or blocks or districts, there were certain areas where the overall consensus could not be built up, because there were some differences among the different villages that were present out there, which led to complications. So in the process of actually trying to help the people and to ensure that administration gets closer, if the decision leads to more complication, then it is not serving the entire purpose. And hence our desire is to see that we do engagement with the people in a very detailed manner, to ensure that there is no complication and no differences that come up, and hence that process is on. So as we move ahead, we will try to resolve those issues, discuss with the people, and based on that we will decide our next move.